Hello everyone, welcome to the Study Hacks Institute of GIS and Remote Sensing. Today I will try to discuss impact of Los Angeles wildfires on nitrogen dioxide level. So it's one kind of air quality monitoring class. So basically in this case I will try to discuss what's the impact of Los Angeles wildfires on nitrogen dioxide level, mainly how much nitrogen dioxide is increased or how much nitrogen dioxide is decreased on this time period. So here we find out that total nitrogen dioxide is emitted 63.05 ton between the time period 7th January to 14th January, and we find out that maximum concentration level of nitrogen dioxide 225.617 micromole on 9th January, and minimum nitrogen dioxide concentration level is 55.374 micromole on the 12th January. So basically wildfire have become increasingly frequent and severe phenomena in Los Angeles and driven by climate change and also drought and urban expansion into fire-prone areas. So it also increased the devastating loss of property and biodiversity. Their impact on air quality, particularly nitrogen dioxide level, have emerged as significant public health concern. So today's session I will discuss about that how we can easily monitor this type of parameter such as total nitrogen dioxide as well as maximum level and minimum level of nitrogen dioxide using the Google Earth engine, and also create this type of map. From this map we can easily identify where we find out that high concentration, where we find out the low concentration of nitrogen dioxide. So let me open my code. So here I already write the code. So in this time here you can see we just try to identify for nitrogen dioxide concentration between this time period 7th January to 14th January, and in this case we need to use the near real-time data set. Okay, and we try to convert it into ton per meter square. So here we find out that ton per meter square unit, and also we create this type of time series chart. If you check it, this time series chart, we can easily find out that the maximum concentration or maximum density we find out in the 9th January 225.617. Okay, and minimum we also find out that 12th January 55.374. And in this case we are just use this data. So basically this is the data, and this data name is the near real time nitrogen dioxide. So basically it's one kind of Sentinel 5P TROPOMI dataset. So from here we can easily find out that near real time nitrogen dioxide data, and this is the last time period 2025 January 14. Okay, so just we take the data from this time, and in this case we are just use here this band name nitrogen column number density. Okay, and this unit is the mole per meter square. So further we simply convert into micromole as well as also convert into ton unit. Okay, so when you convert the ton unit, we can get this type of result. So first of all, Los Angeles areas, so we calculate, so we find out that this is the total area of Los Angeles, and then per meter square area average concentration is that we find out that this is the average concentration per pixel area, and in this case per pixel indicating about that 1113.2 meter pixel size area, mainly 1113.2 multiply with 1113.2 square meter area it's indicating. So now we find out that average result 5.933 inverse 10 inverse 9. This is the per meter square or per pixel area how much ton is emitted, we find out it. And further we already calculated the Los Angeles area, total area of Los Angeles. Then we simply multiply, this is our per meter square how much ton, and this is our total area. So then we can easily find out, simply multiply these two value, then we can easily get this result 63.05. This is the total emission between this time period 2025 first 7th January to 14th January. We find out that total concentration of nitrogen dioxide is 63.05 ton. Okay, and from the chart we can easily get it when it will be high, when it will be low. Okay, so this is one kind of air quality parameter, as well as first of all if we check the map, so from this map we can easily get this which place have more concentration or more density of nitrogen dioxide due to the fire. We can easily identify this type of place is indicating about that high concentration of nitrogen dioxide, okay, due to the fire. Also you can see this type of place is the low, okay, we find out from here, but this place due to the fire we find out that high concentration. And this map is represented the ton unit, okay, ton. And this another map, it represent in the mole unit. Okay, so basically this data mainly we find out that mole unit, further we can easily convert into micromole. Okay, and then we can easily identify what's the impact of nitrogen dioxide level due to the Los Angeles fire. Okay, so this is the process. So basically it's one kind of our online training program on Google Earth Engine. And if you want to join this online training program, then you can easily learn all of details from beginners to advanced level on Google Earth Engine. So not only for the air quality monitoring, in this online training program we also add some real project such as flood inundation, as well as also we try to add here water logging area. We also discuss about the land use, land cover classification, and also calculating the different types of indices, time series chart. So this online training program basically work with lot of real project or real application. And if you have no knowledge about that coding, mainly JavaScript or Python, don't worry about that. In this online training program you will learn all of details from beginners to advanced level on Google Earth Engine. And this class will be start from 24th January, and edition launch the 3rd January. And this is the total 7 days online training program. Basically we take the class Friday and Saturday weekend, and class duration for each day 4 hours, and this is the time about that. If you miss any live training, then you can easily get the recorded class, because we are also providing the recorded session after taking the live session. And you also get that all of materials such as practice code or other materials you get. So how we can register for this upcoming online training program? Simply contact in this email, or if you want you can also contact with this WhatsApp number. So now we are also providing 50% discount on this online training program. If you want to take the 50% discount, so as soon as possible just complete your registration. And you can easily check all of details for the upcoming online training program from the uh, description of this video, as well as if you want you can simply check the website. I already added the link in the video description. Simply go to this link and then check all of course content for our upcoming online training program. And you also get some benefit when you complete this online training program. You can get the course e-certificate after submitting all of assignment. You can get that all of materials, mainly slide or PDF. You can get all of practice code, okay, as well as you can get all of recorded class also, and lifetime teaching support regarding this content. So regarding this any content, if you need any help or you need any session, you can easily get it freely. Lifetime teaching support you can get. Okay, so if you want to join this upcoming online training program and learn the real project on remote sensing using Google Earth Engine, so simply contact in this email or also contact with this WhatsApp number, and then book your seat for our upcoming online training program. Thank you for watching that. Stay happy, stay safe.